your logging modernization program and help U.S. government meet cybersecurity requirements. We tend to think that the U.S. government is behind and not ahead. What will this do for the U.S. government?
Great question. So U.S. government's been a great customer for Splunk for well over a decade. And every agency uses Splunk underneath the covers to ensure that they've got visibility on what's happening across their systems and that they've got ways to investigate potential security incidents. There was an executive order that President Biden came out with recently that made this even more important and imperative for governments. And we created a whole package and pricing offering for them that enables them to use the absolute gold standard best-in-class solution, which is Splunk, to ensure that our nation is safe and that the government agencies who, like everybody else, have been struggling with this crazy cyber environment that we've been dealing with, that they are able to do their work quickly, efficiently, and with the right personnel. So we're super excited about increasing our penetration within the U.S. government.
Now, Doug, I signed up for your, went to the website. I didn't pretend I was anybody other than myself. Got a nice email from someone who wants to work with me. But I do see, in terms of a ratio, cybersecurity and understanding your own data seems to have taken on a bigger chunk of when I first met you when I look at the website.
Yeah, the beauty of Splunk that we've talked about in the past is if you don't spend all your time refining data and you deal with this crazy unstructured data that we have been the experts in, then you can use it for anything. That led us to the cyber teams because they have so much on their backs right now. And our cyber business has been 50+% of the company's business every quarter, at least the past 4 or 5 years. And certainly the past 18 months, we had over 3,000 breaches reported globally, over 36 billion records taken through those breaches. That remains front and center. Now, the beauty for our customers is that exact same data they're using to be able to give them the cyber insight to keep their organization safe is also usable across the other technology departments, IT, application development, and usable for companies like Porsche or BMW or Domino's to do line of business oriented insights. So is my manufacturing line working? Are my customers getting what they want? Are we couponing and discounting effectively? So this data is very, very reusable, which is part of what I think has driven us from 300 million when I got here 7 years ago to 3.1+ billion in that short time frame. It's a very unique offering.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.